Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting ready. Make sure AirPods Pro have charge and your iPhone's Bluetooth is on. This ensures an immediate connection. Once done, place both AirPods in your ears and adjust the seal. A proper fit matters because microphones pick up external sounds more accurately. Next, activate transparency mode right away using the force sensor on the stem or control center. This first action lets you hear surroundings while retaining audio, which is why you do it before adjusting levels. Now refine how transparency behaves. Open Control Center and long press the volume slider to pick transparency. This gives instant switching between modes. Make sure the press and hold action on each AirPod is set to transparency in Settings Bluetooth the AirPods eye icon, because this creates a predictable control method. Then adjust volume and EQ in your music app or accessibility to balance audio with ambient sound. Doing so ensures voices and alerts come through clearly without overwhelming your media. To finish, perform real-world tests. Listen for speech and street noise to confirm transparency mixes ambient sound naturally with your media. Make sure firmware is current by keeping AirPods near your iPhone while charging. This fixes performance quirks. If responses lag or mode won't engage, reboot both devices. If that fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds and then reconnect. Troubleshooting tip. If transparency sounds hollow, check fit first. A poor seal changes microphone pickup drastically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.